Hi, this is Hadley Puckett with my current event for April 27th, 2018. So, everybody knows Amazon. Like, it's gigantic. But in case you don't, Amazon is basically a company that ships millions of boxes of products to people every day. They've been really at the top of their game lately, and they've had two major milestones in their company. The release of their new product, the Echo Dot, the Kids Edition, and their 100 millionth Prime subscription. So, Amazon is a giant company that sells and ships a wide variety of goods to consumers. They also offer a subscription service called Amazon Prime that has given its members access to better shipping, rewards, and other services, such as Prime Video. Amazon has recently reached 100 million subscribers to their Prime service, a huge milestone for the company. The company has also been in the smart speaker business with their take on a home AI assistant, Amazon Alexa. Alexa is in the Amazon Echo, as well as the Echo Dot, which are smaller versions of Echo that serve as basically extensions for your house. Echo is praised by many, but lots of parents had concerns. Alexa can pretty much search everything, and she can be tied into your Amazon account, so you can voice order items from the site. All these features can cause parents to be quite wary of Alexa. Then, Amazon came out with the Echo Dot Kids Edition. The Echo Dot Kids Edition, which starts shipping on May 9th, comes with Amazon's free-time parental controls, a child-friendly case, and a 2-year warranty. The Echo Dot Kids Edition will come in black, with the option to pair with a blue, green, or red case. The parental features of the device range from blocking inappropriate music and content to asking your children to say please when asking Alexa to do anything. That's right, if you're not polite to this assistant, you probably won't get what you're asked for. Echo Dot Kids Edition is also appealing to many parents because of its price. The Kids Edition Echo Dot is $79.99 and it's now on pre-order on Amazon. In conclusion, Amazon has really been at the top of its game, turning up not only their 100 millionth Prime subscriber, but also their latest advancement to their Echo line, the Amazon Echo Dot Kids Edition, a kid-friendly take on Amazon's smart speaker, Alexa. The speaker will begin shipment May 9th. I got my current event from Time, and that's the new Dot, so it's pretty much a regular one, just with a case, basically. And I got the one about 100 million subscribers from the Daily Caller. And this is my Works Cited page. Thanks for watching. Bye.